4 point, I am not able to hear you. Write everything in the chat box. Whether I am audible and visible to you all or not. 4 point, whether I am audible and visible to you or not, just write over the chat box. Devoshmi is writing yes ma'am. Okay, that means you are able to listen me and you are able to see me, isn't it? Yes, a very good morning to everyone. Today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter number 5, the way the world looks. So everyone quickly open your Math Magic and be ready with your pencil and come to page number 52. Come to page number 52, everyone, quickly. Come to page number 52. Yes. So I will read the chapter, you will go through the chapter. As the heading of the chapter is the way the world looks. That means in this chapter you will get the concept of different views. Different views you will get from this chapter. Okay. I think you have remembered in class 3, the first chapter, it was about the different views. Okay. So in this chapter also, in class 4, you will get the different views of different things, how they look from the top, then from the front or from the side, or how it is looking from the top, whether it is looking small or big, that type of concept and that type of views you will be able to know from this chapter. Okay. So let's start the chapter. I will read the chapter, you will go through it. See, Gappu's air journey. Gappu was a brave little mouse. Now Gappu, he was a brave little mouse. His air journey is being described. One day he saw children playing with a huge gas balloon. Now he saw that the children, they all are playing with a gas balloons, and as you know, the gas balloons, it just goes up when you leave it. The balloon went up and touched the roof. Yes, you can see in the picture, isn't it? The balloon, it is just touching the roof of the room. Gappu was thrilled. He got an idea. Next day, when the children went to school, Gappu climbed up the string of the balloon. He could see the blades of the fan from above. Now, he was looking to the children, that the children, they were playing with the gas balloon, and he was so excited and so thrilled that he thought an idea. So what he have done the next day, when the children, they went for the school, he just climbed the string of the balloon. Okay. Gappu the mouse, he just climbed the string of the balloon, and he has also gone up with the balloon, isn't it? So he could see the top view of the room from the, with the help of the balloon, he could see the top view of the room. Okay. See in the picture, there is the fan, and there near to the fan, the balloon with mouse. Okay. And he is saying that he could see the blades of the fan from here. So from the roof of the room, he could see the blades of the fan. Now see what he is saying. Oh, there is so much dirt on these blades. From below they look so clean. Now Gappu is saying that from the top he is seeing that the blades, they are too much dirty. But when from the bottom, when he is seeing the fan, at that time he could see that it is listen, you will not use your red button. You will not use your red button, okay? And Audrija, in the every video you are saying that ma'am please upload this in the video. It is not, you have to do the class, isn't it? Now you are in the class, though there is a distance between you and me, but I can see you in the giant screen. You are in the class. So you have to do the class, isn't it? You think that I am sitting in the class in my bench with my friends, and you do the class. See, this is being from Skype 7, from the class only, from our school only. Om Reg, switch off your camera. Switch off your camera, Om Reg. স্যার তাহলে ওটাতে জয়েন করে দিন। Listens to from the top, the blades are so dirty, but when we are seeing from the bottom, it is looking clean. Now there is a question, draw how the fan looks from below. Draw how the fan looks from below. So when you are in the room and you are seeing the fan from the below, you could see that there is a circular dice, and with that circular dice there 3 blades are attached, isn't it? You can see this view of the fan. So this is your homework. In the copy you will draw this 3 blades of the fan, how it looks from the below. Okay, this is the homework to you. This is the homework to you. Okay, Audrija, Devoshmi, I will upload this on the YouTube, okay? And everyone switch off your video. Soham Ghosh, switch off your video. I will upload this in the YouTube, okay? Soham Ghosh, switch off your video. If you are not able to do, ask your parents to switch it off. Soham Ghosh. Okay, now come to the next one. Gappu looked down. He could see the bed, the chair, one table with books on it, and the other table with a bottle, a jug, fruits, etc. Now this is the top view of Gappu. As he is in the above, he could see that there is a bed in the room, and then just in the left side of the bed there is a chair, one table with books, and the other table is there which have a bottle, a jug, and a fruits with the fruit basket. So these are the things which he could see from the top. Look for these things in the photo. Now in the photo you have to look these things. Now see what Gappu is saying. That stupid Chinky is looking for cheese. Can't even see it is kept on the top of the jug. Now he is saying that Chinky, he is so stupid that he is not able to see the cheese which is kept just above the or just top of the jug. But Gappu, he is in the top, he can see all the things, whereas Chinky, he is in the floor, that he is not able to see the things because he is in the floor, and from the top he can see the things. Gappu. Now come to the next page. come to the next page, page number 53. Page number 53. See, the first question in page number 53. Adrija, switch off your camera, beta. Ragini, switch off your camera. Can you think why Gappu could see the cheese on the jug, but Chinky could not? Can you tell me this answer? 4 Pine, can you tell this answer to me? Why Chinky is not able to see the cheese, whereas Gappu is able to see the cheese? But Chinky is very near to the cheese, but then also he is not able to see the cheese, whereas Gappu is in a long distance from the cheese, but then also he could see the cheese. Can you tell me the answer why this is happening? Who is near the cheese but he is not able to see the cheese? Who is far away from the cheese but he is able to see the cheese? Why? Only 2 are typing. Why not others? Only Noyanika and Devoshmi is writing the answers. Everyone write the answers. Everyone write the answers. I want the answer from everyone. Quickly write the answer. Why this is happening? The cheese are kept in the same place, but Chinky, who is very near to the cheese, he is not able to see the cheese, whereas Gappu, he is far away from the cheese, but he can see the cheese. What is the reason? Om, what is the meaning of P? Yes, Deboshmi is right. Chinky is down and Gappu is up. And what are the other answers? Four Pine, quickly write the answer. I want the answer from your side. Devporna is writing because the mouse is on the top and he is in the down. The same answer from Nayanika also. Same answer from Nayanika also. Yes, Gappu could see the cheese on the jug as he was seeing it from the above, isn't it? Gappu can see the cheese as he is seeing from the above, that means he is seeing from the top, whereas Chinky, he could not see the cheese because as she was on the floor, as she was in the bottom in the floor, she is not able to see the cheese. Okay. Now come to the next topic. When just then a strong wind pushed the balloon out of the room. Just in that time only a strong wind comes and it pushes the balloon from the window to the outside of the room. The balloon flew up and Gappu started going up in the sky. As he looked down, he could see his house. Yes, as the balloon will go up, Gappu is also going up and he could see his house from the top. Now see what he is saying. When I ran around in my house, it looked so big, but from here it looks small. How is that? Now this is the Gappu saying in his mind that when I am running around the house, it is so big, but when now I am in the sky, I could see that the house is looking very small to me. How is it possible? Now see what he is saying. As he went higher, he could see things around his house. Now when he was just out of his house, he in the sky he could see his house. When he is going higher than that, he is able to see the surroundings of his house. That means in the surrounding of his house there was a park, Gurudwara, the railway line, a sweet shop and Suhani's house with the big water tank on the roof. These are the things Gappu can see from the top, from the sky. Okay, means as he is going higher and higher, the views of the different things. First of all, he was seeing only the house, After that he is seeing the surroundings like this. Okay, when he will go up, he will see more things around his house. Okay, so now see what he is saying. Who is that on the railway track? Is it that fat cat Monty? Ha ha ha, from here it looks like a big white mouse. Now as he is going up, he could see that in the railway track or in the railway line a cat is there, and he at that time Gappu is very sure that it is that fat cat, the fat cat Monty. Okay, his name is Monty, that fat cat. He could imagine, he could see that it is the cat who is in the railway line or railway track, and from here he is looking like a white mouse. That means from the top the cat is looking very small and it is looking like a white mouse. So from the top the white cat, he is looking like a small white mouse. Okay, again what he is saying, that see, this must be the Gurudwara where Amarjit goes every day. Now he is saying he could see the Gurudwara also, and he is saying in his mind that it is the Gurudwara where Amarjit goes every day for prayer. Now one more thing he is saying, I did not know there is a sweet shop here, yummy. Now he was not at all aware that there was a sweet shop also. So he is saying that near my house there is a sweet shop. So next time naturally he will went there. Naturally he will went there, isn't it? Acha, listen, kindly don't mute me, otherwise you will not be able to listen what I am saying. Okay. Everyone mute your own microphone. Everyone mute your own microphone. Not my one. Everyone mute your own microphone. Not my one. See, 4 Pine, you have not done your previous class also properly. Now you are doing the same thing with maths also. Be alert, don't disconnect me. This is my request to all of you, don't disconnect me, otherwise you will not be able to do the class. Okay, now come to the next page, that is page number 54. Page number 54. Imagine how your classroom looks from above. Try to draw it and mark the benches, blackboards, doors, windows, etc. Now, this is just your imagination. You have to draw that from the top how your classroom looks like. The benches, the doors, the windows, everything how it looks like, you have to draw from the top. Now see the next one. The balloon went up, up and up. Gappu kept wondering how big the world is. Now he could see lots of houses, streets, roads and buses. As he is going higher and higher, that means as he is going up and up, now he could see the other things also. Previously he could see only his house, but now he can see the other houses also. They can see the other houses, the street, then the roads and the buses which are running on the roads, that also visible to that mouse from the top. Okay. Now see what he is saying. Wow, is that the train looking like a long box from here? Now from the top, the mouse, he is just seeing the train and he is saying that the train is looking like a long box. These cars and buses look so small from here, just like toys, and people look like ants. Now he is saying that this bus and the cars, they are looking so small that it is just looking like toys, and the people, they are looking like ants from the top. Suddenly there was a loud sound, fart. Yes, Suddenly there was a loud sound, fart. Now you can imagine what has happened, isn't it? The balloon burst and started falling down, down, and everything started looking bigger and bigger. Yes, it is the natural that as the balloon is burst, the mouse will come down, isn't it? And he could, when he is coming down, he is able to see the things in his original shape. That means the things now is looking bigger to him. Okay. So this was the experience of Gappu. Now Dhap, Gappu fell on the railway track. He ran to save himself from the cruel Monty, who ran after Gappu and the other rats on the railway track. Now there is again a sound, dhap. So this is sound for the rat, it just fall down on the railway track. And as he was fall down in the railway track, from the top he has seen that on the railway track there was the fat cat Monty. Okay. So as he fell down in the railway track, naturally the cat will chase the Gappu, isn't it? To save himself, Gappu was running. When Gappu saw the railway track from above, it looked like this. Yes, from above the railway track was looking like this. Okay. But when he fell on the track, the railway line looked like this. From the top view of the railway track was in page 54 and the front view of the railway track is in page 55. The railway track is same, but the views are different. Okay. Oh, things look so different when you look at them from the top and from the side. Now Gappu is saying that the things, they are looking so different from the top and from the side also. Yes, it is like that. When you are seeing the things from the top, it is looking different, but when you are seeing from the front, it is different, isn't it? This the views you have already done in class 3. Just remember, the first chapter was based on this chapter only. Yes, 4 pine. Listen, 4 pine, don't mute me, otherwise. Okay students, today up to this only. We will do the next topic in our next class. Okay. So for today, bye all of you.